Hi students, good afternoon. After a big gap, we will meet together, okay? In your last session, I had discussed about the different attributes of body tag. You already know that in a HTML document there are two sessions, one is header session, one is the body session. The body session is the visible part of the that HTML code. Whatever you see on the web page, that content is written in the body session. And in last session, we have discussed the different attributes of body. The body session is created using a tag, that body tag, and it's the closing tag is the body, and opening tag is the body tag, and closing tag is the slash body tag. Okay. Today we will discuss how to create a table using HTML. Using HTML, we are going to create a table. So before going that, we should know something about the table. Students, this table, you already know that in RDMS, table is the collection of some rows and columns. Table is made up of rows and columns. This is the rows, the horizontal part of the table is known as the rows, and the vertical area, the vertical part of the table is known as the column. Okay. So you can say table is the collection of rows and columns. The horizontal part is which is parallel to the surface, which is parallel to the plane, is the horizontal part is the row, and the vertical part which is perpendicular to the surface, which is perpendicular to the plane, is known as the column. Clear? And the intersection of a row and column is known as the cell. This is cell, C-E-L-L. The intersection of a row and column is known as the cell. Students, in this table, the topmost part or topmost row of the table is known as the header section or heading. The topmost row of the table is known as the heading, and this heading contains the header cell. There are multiple cells, you can see here. There are several cells. Already I told you that the cell is the intersection of a row and a column. So that's why you can see here there are multiple cells. Out of that cells, or total cell of a table is categorized into two types. One is header cell. This is header cell, and another type is data cell. Data cell. Okay. The header cell and the data cell. The topmost row of the table is known as the heading, and that heading is the collection of some header cells. This heading is the collection of some header cells. Header cells. Okay. Header cell contain some information about the heading of the table. For example, this is, I write here roll number. For example, this is, I write here roll number. This is the name. And the age. This is age. Okay. So roll number, name, and age, these are the header information. Roll number, name and age are the header information, and this header information is stored in the 3 header cells, and that collection of 3 header cells in a horizontal format is known as the heading of the table. Clear? So this is the heading part. This is header cells. Another type of cell is the data cell. These are the data cells. These are the data cells. And data cell contain the value of that roll number or the value of the field. This is known as the field. This is field. F-I-E-L. Okay. The value for that header cell or the value for this information should be inserted in or should be stored in data cell. This roll number is, for example, 001 is the roll number. Name is Asu. Name is Asu. Age is 20. It is 002. Name is Arpita. Age is 70. Okay. Here 001 is the value of that roll number. Asu is the value of name, and 20 is the value of age. These are called data. This roll number, this 001, ASU 20, these are called data. And data should be stored in data cell. Clear? The header cell contains the information about the heading, and the data cell contains the data or the value for that heading information. हेडर पाई बा हेडिंग पाई जो वैल्यू गुडी आम इनसर्ट करछंती दैट इज द डाटा, एंड डाटा शुड बी स्टोर्ड इन डाटा सेट. क्लियर? तो इन अ टेबल we find here table is the collection of rows color, and first row of that table is known as the heading, and heading is the collection of some header cells in a particular horizontal format, and header cell contain the information about the heading, the information of the heading of the table. Clear? And the remaining cell of the table are known as the data cell, and data cell contain the data of or data regarding the heading of the table. Clear? Here roll number is the heading, name is the heading, age is the heading, and 01 ASU 20 is the value, 002 Arpita, and 17 is the what? Data. Clear? And here one thing you should notice here, roll number, name and age are in bold form. In bold format, I mean font रे विभिन्न attributes सब थिला font, and bold is the one type of font, bold font रे. This is in bold, and the roll number, name and age should be in the center of the cell. For example, अब ये clarify करছি table देखो. For example, this is roll number. Roll number is the information about the heading, and this information should be placed at the center of the cell. पूरा center, I mean left aligned नहीं बनी कि right aligned होनी, भी top के bottom में हम center of the cell. It is should be placed at the center of the cell. Okay, roll number, and here also name, and this is age. And the data generally in regular pattern, it is bold pattern. This is the regular pattern data, and it is left aligned. For example, this 001 Ashutosh 17 or 20. This is the left aligned, baam tones. Okay. The difference between header cell and data cell, in header cell the heading of the table should be stored, and that is placed at the center of the cell, and it is in bold format, and data is a regular pattern, and generally it is by default it is left assigned. By left aligned will college aligned, L-I-G-N, left aligned. It is centered. This is introduction about the table. But today topic is different. Today our intention is to create a table using HTML code. Clear? Some HTML code we are going to write some HTML codes, and after executing that HTML code we should get a table. In a table there are generally 4 sections. In a table there are generally 4 sections, 4 part am koi pariba. One is tag part, table tag, one is row, one is column, another is heading. Table tag, table row, and table heading. Table tag, generally table can be created using a tag. That tag is table, and it should be closed. This is the opening tag, and the closing tag is slash table. Closing tag is slash table. Using this table tag, we can create a table. Clear? Under that table, by inside that table, we must create a row. We must create some rows, and a row means the horizontal, by collection of some cells in horizontal pattern. So row is the collection of some cells in horizontal pattern, and row can be created using a tag. The tag is known as the tr tag. This is the opening tag, and the closing tag is slash tag. Understood? This is one element of the table. And third element of the table is the table column. Table column is the collection of some cells in vertical pattern. The vertically collection of cells is known as the column, and that column can contain some data. So here TT but table data में कोई करिया ये column ना देखिए हमें data नहीं करिया हमें table data देखिए table data. The table TT is the tag which is used to show but to insert the data inside the table. The TT is the row, but TT is the part. TT is the tag, that is the opening tag, and slash TT is the closing tag. Using this pair of tag, TT and slash TT tags are used to insert. It allows this tag allows us to insert some data inside the cell. The particular cell भितर को आमे तार कोन से डाटा इंसर्ट करिया चाहतोंती, we must use the TT tag. Without using the TT tag, we cannot enter some data inside the table cell. Okay. Next part is the table heading. Table heading can be created using the TS tag, and it is the opening tag, and the closing tag is part. Slash X. All tags here are the pair tag. This is not the single tags, it is pair tag. Okay. So you can find here tag that the table and slash table, it is one pair. TR and slash TR is another pair. TT and slash TT is also a pair, and TS and slash TS are in pair format. Clear? So using this kind of tags, we can create a HTML table. Then one by one, আমি প্রিপেয়ার লেখুছি the structure of a table last of আমি তার উপরে প্রোগ্রাম করি first part structure of the table structure of table table is made up of rows and columns. Intersection otherwise applicability horizontal area of a table is known as rows. Horizontal area of a table is known as row. Vertical area of a table is called column. It's called as column. As column. Intersection of row and column. Intersection of rows and column. Row and column is a cell. Cell contains the data. There are two kinds of cells. There are two kinds of cells. One, the header cell, and one is data cell. Data. Clear? Next line. Next part is about the header cell. Header cell contains the information by heading information about heading information about table heading. Heading is the topmost row of a table which is collection of some rows, collection of some cells in horizontal pattern. Clear? This is all about the header cell. Then the data cell contain can say excluding the header cell, the remaining cells of a table are data sets. नोट करना ये पार्ट